Rhea Salonga, Marian Rivera at Pia Wurtzbach. Mga malalaking pangalan sa showbiz na minsang binandera ang mga damit na ito. Mga obrang pang-international ang ganda, pero likha ng mga manghahabing ifugaw. Ang mga damit na yan, parte na nagagandahang koleksyon ng Gandama Collective. At balita ko, gumagawa rin daw sila ng mga barong at damit panlalaki.
Alam niyo mga kapatid, meron akong ganap meron akong event na i-host. Medyo kailangan nating maghanap ng damit na pwede nating isuot. Tingnan natin. Okay. Parang kailangan natin ng tulong ngayon, no? Vic, ano ba? Ano bang pwede kong suotin dito?
You know, Jester, we met when you were still in college.
Oo, UPLB. Oo, nasa Lasal ka nun.
Yes.
Oo.
So ito siguro, so maroon.
Maroon na yan.
Funny maroon.
Si Victor Bagilat Jr. ang founder at creative director ng social enterprise na Gandama Collective. Magkakilala na kami ni Vic kolehiyo pa lang at niwala nga sa hinagap ko noon, natatahakin niya pala ang mundo ng fashion.
When I was in 4th year in law school, and I got super depressed. Parang I felt like a fish out of water and I'm not meant to be, in law school. I'm not meant to be a lawyer just like my dad or my brother. Then I came across a website from the Singapore International Foundation for, they were looking for social enterprises. So I just thought of Gandama as the social enterprise.
Sakto sa kanyang gustong gawin ang paggamit ng pangalang Gandama, isang salitang tuwali o ifugaw para sa power o kapangyarihan.
We wanted to empower women, specifically the indigenous women. And the reason why we also picked power was because we wanted the women who wear our clothes to feel powerful, to feel their power.
At dahil wala pang kasanayan noon sa pagdisenyo ng mga damit, nagsimula si Vic noong 2017 sa paggawa ng table runners at throw pillows. Pero kalaunan, sa tulong ng mga manghahabing ifugaw, nagawang lumikha ni Vic ng mga damit na napansin ng A-list Pinoy celebrities.
Ano ba karamdam nun for you? Na parang out of nowhere, to actually have A-lister yung kumontak sa iyo eh.
I guess the feeling was, I have arrived.
At arrive nga naman talaga dahil nairampa na rin ang kanyang mga likha sa New York, Melbourne at Paris. At na-feature pa sa Vogue Italia. Pero sa kabila ng tagumpay, di nalimutan ni Vic ang mga ifugaw na kaagapay niya. Bukod sa pagbibigay hanap buhay, nakapagtayo na rin siya ng weaving centers.
So there's a social impact at saka meron ring environmental impact. So the social impact is, of course, you're giving livelihood to women. The environmental impact naman is, of course, they don't engage in clearing the rainforest anymore.
Bawat disenyo ng habing tela ng mga ifugaw, may iba't ibang kwento. Ang paborito ni Vic, yung nagpapakita ng mga kababaihang nagtutulungan. Sinasalamin daw nito ang tunay na hangarin ng Gandama. Ang kapit-kamay na paghabi para mapagyabong ang kulturang ifugaw.
Live nating makakasama ang owner ng Gandama Social Enterprise na si Victor Bagilat Jr. Vic, good morning!
Good morning,
everyone!
At kasama niya ang ating mga models,
Beautiful.
si Hannah and si Liam. Right, ayan.
Hannah. You look super amazing. I mean, you guys are already beautiful people, pero with the designs of Vic, tell us more about what they're wearing. First, Hannah.
Okay, Hannah's wearing a look from New York Fashion Week in 2019. It was showcased there.
Wow.
And we had like Swarovski crystals just to highlight the beautiful weaves.
Yes.
But it's hand woven from Ifugao, so we have our own weaving center in Kiangan, Ifugao, in Holongan Village specifically. Then Liam's, there's a hoodie over there, so that's the innovation.
Oh, wow.
Which is very cute.
It's good.
Uy, is that detachable?
No, it's not, but you can hide it just inside.
You can hide it
Inside.
inside.
Oh,
So
it
the
look like a
weave,
bomber jacket.
yeah, the weave naman is actually from Abra, one of our partner communities there. So it's one of our more new designs that we'll be showcasing next month in Seoul Fashion Week.
Korea.
In Korea.
Wait, let's ask the models. How do the clothes make you feel?
Well, they're very comfortable, so I really love that. And, it's very important to support local communities in the Philippines. And yeah, it's a very traditional modern take. So it's a nice mix, and I feel like I can really wear this everywhere.
Right?
Yeah.
Even with jeans, like lighter jeans.
Pwede. Pwede rin with
It
shorts,
really
I feel
goes
like.
with everything.
Right.
Especially it's super hot now.
Yun
diba?
na, dama.
So-
How about Hannah? Looking so statuesque kayo.
Well, yes, as a beauty queen, I really wear a lot of local designs, but wearing this, grabe, I feel so snatched and yeah, ready to go from office event to a night out. It's so beautiful.
Yes, Hannah and Liam, can we request for you guys to just walk here and show us your beautiful dresses?
We'll hold the microphone.
Yeah, we can probably go here on this side.
Okay. Hannah first. There you go. Ganda.
naman.
And I like the back detail. It's so modern. The zipper is showing. There's like a parang peekaboo ba
peekaboo,
tawag
yeah.
dyan? Yes, ganda.
galing,
Pang
galing.
night out nga yung likod lalo. Diba?
Formal and then night out, no?
Yes.
How about Liam?
Liam. Grabe.
There you go.
Jester, ba't di ka ganyan maglakad? Ang ganda. Liam, I love it. So it's plain pala at the back, no?
Yes.
And this is again,
And may
a
texture.
weave. Tapos, Jess, si Vic was telling me kanina na itong tatlong to ay exclusive na weave nila.
Yeah.
Correct? Like a
Nice.
pattern. Here.
So you can't find it in any other weaving center because it's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
from our community. So they mean shield. It's shield in a long, and that's a symbol. Ito rin, I think this is one of our more popular silhouettes.
Yes, can you
you've seen
tell
this
us more
around.
about this one?
So it's also the same.
Yes.
It's also shield.
Shield.
But we
Ayan,
made it
makikita
for
sa
celebrity.
pattern, no? Para sa
Bakit
armor.
ganon? Mas
like
ano ba,
armor.
pang warrior ba yung feels?
Yeah,
Kasi di ba
Ifugao
ng
has
weaving?
that,
Right?
the history of ano.
Oo. So, pang warrior
Warrior
siya. So, if
talaga.
you feel like you are a warrior of life.
ganda
Yes,
niyan.
that's
A
why.
modern
diba?
armor,
Yeah,
di ba?
definitely.
Your
So, I
modern
have a
armor
question.
finds,
This is
yeah.
about, I think, maybe the first time I've seen this kind of parang very traditional design, but on a more modern cut.
Yeah.
How did you come up with that idea?
Well, I think it's also what the market wants. So we have to make sure that sustainable yung weaving.
Yeah.
So parang, like it has to be something that people would really want to wear in a
Right.
modern
Yeah.
setting.
Kasi
So that's
show off
reason.
yung, the classic.
Yeah,
ano,
yeah.
I like it.
Ma'am, anong pakiramdam, Maui? Si Maui naman.
Wow.
Mawang ganda.
Ako na-try ko na
You
kasi.
know what?
during,
The thing is, I feel like even yung panglalaki, pwede siyang pangbabae.
Oy, kasi uso
Gender
naman yung
inclusive.
oversize.
Di ba?
Uso
Yeah,
yung oversize ngayon.
Exactly.
But let's show also that you guys have this. Look, it's a jacket pero naka-ano, parang, what do you call
Philippine,
this?
like a butterfly sleeve.
Butterfly
Butterfly
sleeve.
sleeves.
Ayan.
Oh, ang ganda.
Sino-sino
So,
pa
I
yung ibang
love
mga
this.
naging clients mo, Vic? Para lang
Locally,
maibig yung viewers
the-
natin, local.
Of course,
oh.
aside from the celebrities, people who are in the upper echelons the corporate ladder, mga CEOs and everything. But even the people who just go to work,
Right.
diba? They wanted to
Yes.
wear something na they could also wear sa evening
That's
event.
right.
In fact, pag,
Ang ganda nito.
pag pumupunta ka sa mga pop-up, marami rin bumibili sa iyo,
Maraming
di ba?
bumibili. Those people going to conferences overseas, they want to wear something
Yes.
Filipino.
oo.
Ganda nito.
Galing,
Kaya
galing.
ka lang, no?
Yeah.
Pwede na. Ayan, Vic, paano ba kayo makukontak ng mga kapatid natin na gustong magpagawa or
Yeah.
bumili ng mga produkto niyo?
So they can message us through our social media accounts. So we're on a Facebook, so it's @Kandama Collective. We're also in Instagram @Kandama Collective, and we also have a pop-up in Glorieta 2 next month for Mother's Day, and of course we have a show in Seoul, South Korea. So for our kababayans in Korea, we're gonna be there in Parkway Hill May 30th. That's the date of the show.
Ayan, thank you very much again, Victor Bagila Jr. ng Kandama. Thank you for making us proud.
Thank you.
Salamat ang husay. Mga kapatid, Jess De Los Santos po, huwag magpahuli sa mga umaaksyong balita at napapanahong issue sa bansa. Para sa mas malawak na balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.